1. What part of the flower attracts pollinators with its color and scent? A. Stem. B. Petal. C. Root. Answer B. Petal. 2. Which flower is known as the queen of flowers? A. Lily. B. Rose. C. Daisy. Answer B. Rose. 3. Which flower follows the movement of the sun across the sky? A. Tulip. B. Sunflower. C. Orchid. Answer B. Sunflower. 4. What flower is the symbol of peace and purity? A. Lotus. B. Daffodil. C. Marigold. Answer A. Lotus. 5. Which flower is commonly associated with Japan? A. Cherry blossom. B. Carnation. C. Violet. Answer A. Cherry blossom. 6. What kind of flower is a daisy? A. Bulb flower. B. Composite flower. C. Climbing flower. Answer B. Composite flower.